Carl plays in a chess league. He's got to play Joseph first and then Claire. Probably winning against Joseph is 4/7. Winning against Claire is 3/5. So this is a game against Joseph comes first, and then he has a game against Claire. And he could have won against Joseph, or he could have lost his first game against Joseph, but he's still going to play Claire second. So I've got to complete the tree diagram. He doesn't draw any games. So 4/7, winning against Joseph, therefore losing will be 3/7. And a game against Claire now. Doesn't matter whether he wins or whether he's won or lost against Joseph, doesn't come into it. Probability of winning against Claire is 3/5. And therefore his 3 out of 5 chance of winning, there'll be 2/5 of losing. And that'll be the same regardless of whether he's won or lost. So that's what our tree diagram for 2 marks. What is the probability that Kyle will win both games? Well, win, that means that one there. And I always mark it with a cross to remind myself to actually multiply the probabilities. So that means I've got to multiply the 4/7 with the 3/5. So 4/7 times by 3/5. Or when we multiply fractions, we times the tops together, which gives 12, and the bottoms together, which gives 35. And that's the answer for B. And I'll do it in red. What's the probability he will win exactly one of the 2 games? Well, he could win against Joseph and then lose, or he could lose and then win. And yet again, I've put the times across to mark the root to say this one here will be 4/7 times by 2/5. Times in fractions, you times tops together, which is 8, and the bottoms together, which is 35. This one here is going to be 3/7 times by 3/5, and that will be 9/35. And I've got to work out he does either this root or this one, so it's 8/35 of this one, there's 9/35 here, so I'll add them together. I've got 8/35 and another 9/35. That will give me 17/35 altogether. Might well be worthwhile actually just showing what you're doing, and that is doing 8/35 plus 9/35, and it does equal 17/35. And that's question 14 done.